the Raganuga Bhakta, the Gaudiya Vaishnava, is meant to absorb himself in Gopi Bhav and absorb himself in the heart and feelings of Radharani, ultimately. Radha Sneha Adik. We have extra attachment and affection for Radharani. So we say, we read in books, Bhav Tadatmya, that the manjaris are one with the Bhav of Radharani. So how does that happen? It happens by sadhana, by practice. But that sadhana must be directed. And that's what the teachers and the well-wishers show us, the way of sadhana, the way of meditation, how to approach. Because as you approach Krishna and as you meditate upon him, that's how he reciprocates. And that's what you attain in perfection. That's the siddha, as your sadhana. So the sadhana takes different shapes and different forms. And it's all in a meditative world, and a visual world, and a feeling world, and a thinking world. So this is what the acharyas are showing us,